back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ginny Williams and I'm a published food and nature photographer from Charlotte, North Carolina. Today on the channel, I'm sharing you how to make delicious and comforting vegan mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is one of everybody's favorite foods, but a lot of Americans eat really unhealthy mac and cheese. We get Kraft or Velveeta, and in those mac and cheese boxes, there's a lot of processed crap. Ingredients we can't even identify, stuff that does not do the body well, and there are other alternatives to having mac and cheese that is also healthy and delicious. One of the reasons why I don't eat store-bought mac and cheese or mac and cheese with dairy is that the dairy industry is incredibly cruel and violent. I do not support it whatsoever. And that's another reason why you're seeing a major increase in demand for plant-based milks. I'm not sure if you know, but there is a huge decline in milk sales over the last couple of years, and that's because a lot of people realize that dairy just is not doing a body good. Dairy for strong bones and calcium is nothing but propaganda. It's a myth created by the dairy industry over the last 100 years, and people are starting to wake up and realize that dairy is not doing us any good. And actually, you can get calcium, vitamins, and minerals from plant-based milks just like you can from regular cow's milk, skipping the cruelty and the detriment to our bodies that go along with it. One way to mimic the taste and texture of traditional mac and cheese made with cow's milk is to use plants. You can use butternut squash, carrots, potatoes, onions, nutritional yeast, plant-based milks to help give that creamy, smooth consistency that we all know and love from real mac and cheese. This recipe is absolutely delicious. It's comforting, it's home style, and it tastes so delicious. It's also packed with a lot of vegetables, so you're getting a lot of vitamins and minerals with this recipe, and it has no saturated fat or cholesterol in it because it's using no animal products. So if you want to switch up your mac and cheese game, stick around and watch the video for some inspiration. I will also link the recipe in the description box below so that you can have it as well. And that's all I have to say. Let's get into the video. To start off, we're going to make our cheese sauce. You'll need 1 cup of diced and peeled Yukon Gold potatoes. You can also use russet potatoes, but you'll need to peel those as well, otherwise it won't be as smooth and creamy. Next, you'll need 1/2 cup of a chopped sweet onion. And lastly, you'll need 1/4 cup of a peeled and diced carrot. These 3 vegetables will make the base of our cheese sauce and add a ton of flavor and a lot of nutrients. After you're done cutting up all the veggies, add them to a medium-sized saucepan along with 1 cup of water. Bring it to a boil, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes. Now on to the second part of the cheese sauce. In a large blender, add 1/2 cup of raw cashews, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of tahini, half of a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, the juice of 1/2 of a lemon, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 1/2 of a tablespoon of salt, and all of the cooked veggies that we just made on the stovetop. While that cools down a little bit, it's time to make the pasta. You'll need 1/2 pound of macaroni pasta. Cook according to package instructions, which is usually about 9 to 10 minutes. When the pasta is almost done cooking, go ahead and blend the sauce. Scrape down the sides as necessary to ensure that you get all the flavors mixed in. This recipe has so many hidden vegetables in it, so it's a great recipe to give to your kids to get more vegetables into them. And what kid doesn't like mac and cheese, right? Drain the pasta and add it back to the pot, and now it's go time. Yum, yum, yum! Vegan mac and cheese is so freaking good, you guys. You can hardly tell the difference between vegan mac and cheese and regular. It's so incredibly healthy and delicious and nutritious and so creamy and home style. I love it. This recipe makes about 4 standard servings, but you can always double the batch if you're having a large get-together or for Thanksgiving or Christmas. Thanks so much for watching the video today, everybody. Make sure to give it a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more so that you don't miss my next video. I will see you in the next video, which will be out in just a couple of days. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great week. Bye. You good boy. You are. Say hi. Can I kiss you?